Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a vegan triple berry crisp. Doesn't it look so delicious? If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. And also hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload a new video. So here are the ingredients that you're going to need for this recipe. 6 cups of mixed berries. Today I used frozen. Almond flour. Any kind will do. Cinnamon. Coconut oil. Pure maple syrup. Rolled oats, hemp hearts, salt. So let's get started with our recipe. In a large bowl, combine your berries, 2 tablespoons of almond flour, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. By the way, I will have this recipe in the description box. Toss the berries with the almond flour mixture until they are well coated. It should look something similar to this when you're done. Take a 9x13 pan that's been greased with coconut oil and place your berries inside. In a separate bowl, take your softened coconut oil and mix it with 2 tablespoons of your pure maple syrup. Mix it until they're fully combined. It should look something like this. And by the way, this smelled so good, I just wanted to eat it right out of the bowl. Next, add your 2 cups of rolled oats, 1/2 cup of hemp hearts, 1 cup of almond flour, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Mix the mixture until it's fully combined. It should look something similar to this when you're done. Place your oat mixture on top of your berries and be sure to spread it out and get it covered as much as you can. Next, place it into a 350-degree oven for 30 minutes. It's almost done, guys. What do you think? I think it looks absolutely delicious. And here's our finished product, a 9x13 pan of love. Thanks so much for watching my video today, guys. I hope you have a safe, healthy, and happy week. Take care. Bye-bye.